Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. It's your girl. So if it's your first time of stopping by, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome back as well. So in today's video, you guys, I decided to do something very crazy. Should I call it crazy? So yeah, in today's video, I decided to apply hair relaxer on my natural brows. You know, normally when we relax our hair, we get our slick and just slick ponytail. And I was wondering, I noticed like for some time now, whenever I'm drawing my brows, it's like my natural brows, like the hairs are just kind of showing up, they are not relaxed. And yeah, so that is why I'm going to be doing this today. I know this is crazy, like you guys, this is going to be crazy. Seriously, I have never seen this before. I have never done something like this before. It's actually my first time trying to do this. Like, why not? Why not? Like, someone actually needs to try something like this. Why not me? So yeah, without talking much, let's see how this video goes. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that way you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. Like whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first person to get notified. So right now, let's get right into this video. Break it on. Break it on, girl. So now I'm just using the elegant setting powder I'm just applying that all over my brows to kind of protect my skin against this hair relaxer. So I'm putting on my gloves just to protect my hand as well. Yeah, before applying the relaxer on my brows. So the relaxer I'm using is the no base cream relaxer with protein. This is 20% extra free professional formula. So this is how the relaxer actually looks like. And yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. So when you open it, this is how it looks like. I've actually used some of this on my client hair before. So this is actually how it looks like. So I'm just going to use my fingertips to kind of apply that on my brows. When doing this, you have to be very careful. You don't want to apply a hair relaxer on your eye, and you have to be very careful when doing this. You can see how I'm applying it. So now after applying it, I'm going to allow this to sit on my brows for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off with a lukewarm water. So now I've washed it off. I'm just drying it up with a clean towel. I wash the whole of my face as well. So I wash it off with a hair shampoo, and then I apply my Betty soap, my Betty shampoo as well to wash the whole of my face, like my face soap to wash the whole of my face. And now this is how my brows is all looking like it's actually relaxed now. It's feel like my hair is now very soft, like my brows hair is now very soft. Unlike before, I find it difficult whenever I'm trying to kind of put my brows in place. Like I'm not the type that love to just shave off all of the hair on the brows area. So yes, now my brows is now soft, like my hair is now very soft, and I can just use my hand to kind of, put it in place, and it will just slip just like. So now I'm just taking a wipe to properly clean up my brows, and then I'm going in with this skincare, this Ghanaian skin, is it Ghanaian skin active, and I'm just going to apply this. I'm just going to use this to, you know, clean up my brows. So now we are all done. Like you guys, I actually feels good right now. Like unlike before, my eyebrows, like if I should like brush my eyebrows like this, using this eyebrow brush self to kind of, try to lay my brow flat is kind of, I find it difficult to do. But now I can even just, use my fingertip to kind of, lay down these brows. Like now the hair is very soft. I only leave the hair relaxer on for only 5 minutes, and I don't think if you're trying this, I don't think you should. If you are trying this, make sure you don't. If you could even wash it off for like 2 3 minutes, but I allow mine to kind of, stay on my brows for just 5 minutes, and now I'm actually happy with the results. My brows are now very soft. Like it's now very soft, and yeah. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up this video, like, share, comment on what you think about what I just did and what you want to see next. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god.